Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be doing the final part on how to draw cartoon eyes. So let's get into it. So on to my favorite set of eyes we will be doing right now, stylized. Okay guys, when it comes to stylizing eyes, you kind of like going in thinking like what shapes you could use that would be different. So for here, we kind of creating these tombstone like shapes, if that makes sense. And then we kind of combining, if you see before, kind of like that oval inside there, but it will be cutting off. And then we could kind of shade it in. And you could see how it give it this different look. And for the next one, it's going to be the same thing as the one above. The only difference will be the highlights. So instead of having the highlights kind of come across straight at the top, we're going to kind of curve it slightly. You wouldn't really be able to see it that well with the sketch here. But when we start inking and finalizing, you'll be able to see it more clearly. But it's just those slight differences. I know it's minor, but it makes a big difference though. Alright guys, moving on. So for this next set, we're going to be using squares. No, a lot different than your traditional. But you can see as we go in here, using squares. And we also going to be using squares on the inside here. And then we could shade that in. And then for the one at the bottom, same process. The only difference is we're going to be adding in highlights. Alright, awesome. And you can see guys, just that simple change of shape from circle to square makes it unique. Alright guys, so we saved the best for last, you already know. This is the style of eyes I like to do the most. It's really fun. So we're going to be using diamonds. And you can see we're leaving the gaps open right here. And then for the inside, we actually were putting circles. And then shade it in. And for our last one, we're going to show you guys how we're going to look with the highlights. So like we said before throughout the video, the highlights add some difference. It adds some interest to the eyes. So you choosing to put highlights or no highlights makes a big difference. Okay guys, so we finished with all our sets of eyes. So we're going to kick it into time lapse so you guys could see the final results. And we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you can see, clean. And just remember guys, there are many other ways to draw cartoon eyes. These were just a few examples. So hopefully you guys saw a few that interest you. But with that being said, there you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.